Hey guys, this is very short comparison of the receiver. You can see there actually the same transceivers, the UV-K5. On the right side you can see an original UV-K5, not modified, just the firmware is updated with the IJV version. On the left side you can see my modified UV-K5, which has the modification module for full band receive on short waves, and both transceivers have the same antennas, as you can see. So let me show you. There is a low signals conversation currently on 15 meters between, I think, two Russians, and it's a good chance to do this little comparison. So let's check. So the receiver on the left with modification, and the maximum volume. And the second receiver. And modified receiver. IJV firmware.
2-3 часа поспал, опять едешь. Блин, думай, куда мы летели, хрен я знаю. Ну ладно, понимаешь, чем больше в дороге, тем больше устаешь. И тем более, что дети устают и все, поэтому старались побыстрее. Ну а сейчас нет. Заехал.
Modified receiver.
Душ принял, если есть. Валю и до утра. Выспался, потом только уже еду.
Bandwidth on 3 kHz, and here the bandwidth set to the narrow minus. And the second, no copy. Very weak. Almost nothing. And signal is there, but very weak. Nothing. And back modified, and signal is there. So as you can see, that sensitivity of this modified receiver seems to be a little better. When it's the stronger signal like this, I should be able to receive it also on the unmodified. So this is the not IJV and non-modified receiver, and this is modified receiver. Yeah, signal is definitely weaker on this receiver than here. Stronger station is right here. Let me check back. Yeah, that is much better received. And I think more noise. Alright guys, so as you see that this modification is maybe really worth to do if you like receive signals on the UV-K5 transceiver. Thanks for watching, and 7-3.